Sometimes you forget to spend on yourself as an entrepreneur. You keep spending on your business and you just forget about yourself. I've been in this situation for quite a long time and I always forget to spend at least, even if it's just a little bit, on myself. Just, you know what, Sheba, take this, treat yourself, you've worked hard. This time around, I was like, nope, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually spend money on myself. So let's see how that played out. So I've actually always wanted to get things for myself for quite a long time now, actually. And I had like my wish list. I have a wish list on Jumia. I have a wish list on Instagram. It's just a lot. So it was easy for me to figure out what to actually get for myself based off of what I had to spend. And before I even decided to spend anything, I had done my budgeting. You guys, budget your money, like be financially smart. Like obviously the amount that I had, I didn't spend everything. I mean, that's wise, right? So I first of all did my budget and I had an amount allocated to my lavishness. So I was able to kind of get things that I wanted within that amount. So after doing my budget, I went to my wish list and I went there to pick items that I could get that was urgent, that I really, really needed. And obviously I consulted my friend for advice, and also my mom. She was my full 100% supporter. She was like, girl, treat yourself, you know. And after I did all that, I had placed my orders and I was just waiting. I waited for a week. So after I waited for 1 week, everything arrived. So yeah, I have a lot of packages here and I'm going to be unboxing them for various reasons. Actually, I want to kind of give a shout out to some brands that I like, some of my friends' businesses that I ordered from, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be starting from the ones I got from Jumia. This was the first Jumia package that came. The first item I have here are shoes. I've actually worn them already. I do not know the brand. It doesn't have a brand name. They are just shoes. This shoe is a funny story. So like on the store, on Jumia, they had only size 41. And I used to wear size 41 when I was much younger because they think that my feet will grow longer and I will have to like grow into my shoes. So like, I can wear 41 and then it's canvas, so like, But then I forgot that it was cloth. So like, I can't really like strap it to my leg in case it's a bit bigger. It's actually a bit bigger than my leg. I use size 41 and yeah, that's the story behind it. So that socks basically go with shoe, ankle socks, and it comes with 6 pairs. So 2 grey, 2 black, 2 white. Second item is Oraimo charger. So I got the Oraimo charger because when you buy Oraimo power bank or earbuds, it doesn't come with a charger head, it only comes with a cord. And I don't know why. So I had to like buy this dual charger thingy so that I can plug my phone, my power bank, and my earbuds at the same time. So it has 2 mouths and it comes with a cord. It's quite long. The last item I ordered here was this perfume. So I saw this perfume when I was picking all these items and I was like, it was quite affordable, so let me just add it to the cart. So it's Inspire. That's the name of the brand. So I'm going to actually, I'm sure you guys have seen it in my previous vlog. I don't know which vlog it's been, but I actually ordered the mic and the mic is right here and it's picking my voice. I'm so happy about that. See, I told you I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. This is what the packaging looks like. This is my, like, I've never really bought perfumes for myself, but it's like my first time really buying perfumes for myself. I used to buy body sprays, especially then in school. This is another one that I got. This one I got it from a store around my area. Very nice store. They have a lot of perfumes there, Arabian perfumes. Very, very nice. And this one is beautiful. Like, it smells beautiful. Like, it smells floral. So another package that I got is Natural Girls Week. So it came with this. I was actually thinking I was getting told about because I used to speak about everywhere on IG. I'm like, so yeah, this is what it looks like basically. But yeah, it has a strap. It's a headband piece, by the way. It's a headband piece. It has a strap. It also comes with instructions in the pack, how to take care of it, all that good stuff. And then it comes with this shiner. I thought it was water. It's not water because it was quite gritty on my hand. But they said that if you use it completely, you can use water. The next one is from my friend. Woo! So her brand name is Nails by Ebs, and I ordered nails from her. So I'm gonna this is the last one I'll show you guys. So it came in this empty already. So it came in this. Actually came in this note. I already opened this note. So it comes with obviously instructions on how to apply, and how to remove as well. Then it also comes in this, which is nice because now I have pencil holder, and it comes with all these. So I'm gonna just open them one by one. Nail cuticle. It comes with glue. This is a lot of nail file. And comes with cutting pad, alcohol pad rather, and it comes with tabs to stick the nail. Okay, so let me show you guys the nail. This is the nail I got, guys. I'm so excited because I've actually never gotten this kind of length. Because see, like, look at the pinky. I've never gotten this kind of length before, and I'm so excited about it. So that's all for the nails. And the last one is skincare from Beauty. You guys, on my Instagram story, I said I was having rash and I was reacting to something on my face. So I said, let me just try out Beauty. Beauty is DH's sister's brand. We are so responsible. That experience was very, very well. I love the fact that Yechi is running her business and still keeping her legacy on. So I decided to get these two from her brand. So yeah, and I'm going to be testing these all through the month. I think it should last up to the middle of August and see how it works on my face. I'm having a lot of reactions, especially here on my forehead, and then side spreading throughout my cheek and all over my forehead. Though it has used a little bit. I was using baby oil for a while and it was going up a little bit. So I think toner and this cleanser will actually work. So I think that's everything that I got you guys. That's my very short unboxing. I'll see you guys